Alright guys, so this is going to be a bit of a weird video, and I thought I would just do it just for the shits and giggles. You can't really see my face because it's more picking up on the car, because that's where the light is, to be honest. I'll tell you what, I'm going to change positions. Alright, we got a better bit of light in here. It's a bit more windier, but we're good. But basically, as you can already tell by the title of this video, we're going to be making the Fiesta ST backfire. Now, I say backfire, there's probably not going to be any flames involved, but as you guys probably already know, my Fiesta has only got a back box delete, and most Fiesta owners will know that Fiestas don't really backfire, even when they've got a decat and a straight pipe straight out the back. So today it's going to be sort of a funny video. That's what it's meant to be, because I had a whole video planned for today, but as you can see in the background, there's puddles everywhere. It's been pissing it down all day, and what I had planned kind of went to shit. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to make this funny video for you guys, and hopefully we'll get some laughs out of it. But yeah, anyway, stay tuned. Alright, so guys, that little clip you just saw, if you want to know how to do that, all you got to do is follow this one step, and I'll show you that right now. Alright guys, so don't get too triggered about this video. It's literally just, it was just a funny video, because for some reason the other day I took my back box off because it was blowing a little bit. So I put it back on. I took it off, cleaned it up a little bit, made the connections a little bit more solid so there was no blows in it, and then put it back on, obviously. And for some odd reason I had a bottle of water in the back of my car, and I just stuck it in the exhaust to test for any leaks with the car off, and then I turned the car on and it done a backfire, like a proper loud backfire, just turning it on. So I revved it a couple of times and it backfired quite a lot. Now I'm not sure if the video is going to do a lot of justice, because as you guys probably know, videos don't really do justice towards backfires unless there's flames involved. But I thought, you know what, because my video plan that I had today went to shit because of the weather and because I couldn't get the materials that I needed, I thought, why not? I'll just make this short little video just for the shits and gigs. I mean, it's the day after April Fool's, but oh well. But yeah, if you did find this funny, make sure you leave a like, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and hopefully I will see you in the next video where I can actually do what I had planned to do today. But yeah, anyway, stick around for that, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video.